Street photography thrives on discrete, responsive gear that can render candid moments with clarity, speed, and color fidelity. The category spans compact, fixed-lens options to versatile mirrorless systems, each with trade-offs between size, sensor performance, autofocus latency, lens options, and battery life. In this review, I test and compare 5 cameras that cover a broad spectrum of street use cases, from pocketable primes to capable APS-C bodies with interchangeable lenses. My methodology combines objective measurements, autofocus speed, buffer, ISO performance, video capabilities, field usability, ergonomics, menus, grip, handling in real-world street scenarios, and subjective quality assessments, color rendition, skin tones, noise handling, dynamic range, to help photographers choose based on their shooting style and budget. Product number 1. Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera. The A6400 is a compact, high-performance APS-C mirrorless body that pairs a 24.2 MP sensor with Sony's fast real-time IAF and robust 11 FPS shooting. Its 24 to 70 mm equivalent zoom from the included kit is useful for street scenarios where focal flexibility matters, and the 4K video capability adds versatility for social media or documentary work. The tiltable 1-inch class LCD and 425 phase detect plus 425 contrast AF points provide reliable tracking across a wide frame area, making it a strong all-around performer for street photographers who value speed and accuracy in dynamic environments. Performance-wise, the A6400 excels in autofocus responsiveness, color reproduction, and low light handling for an f1.8 to 2.8 lens within the kit. The 1200 zone evaluative metering helps with challenging lighting, and the camera supports time-lapse and motion features that can be leveraged for investigative street projects. Product number 2. Fujifilm X100V digital camera. The X100V is Fujifilm's premium fixed-lens street camera, featuring a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor with the beloved 23mm f2 lens. It marks a two-fold update with a redesigned weather-sealing capable body when used with optional adapters, and a new hybrid viewfinder that blends OVF and EVF for frame-accurate composition. The 3-inch tilting LCD adds flexibility for street framing from unconventional angles, while in-camera film simulations deliver distinctive color science that many street shooters prize for its tonal storytelling. Performance and use case-wise, the X100V delivers superb image quality, excellent dynamic range for an APS-C sensor, and fast field operation due to its efficient X processor 4. The fixed 23mm focal length makes it ideal for environmental portraits and scenes where you want to simplify decisions while still achieving a cinematic perspective.
Product number 3. Sony Alpha A5000 mirrorless. The A5000 represents an older, budget-friendly Sony mirrorless option with interchangeable lenses and a compact form factor. It includes the 16 to 50mm OSS kit lens with optical stabilization, offering an approachable entry point for street shooters who want the flexibility of changing lenses without a heavy footprint. The camera features a 20.1 MP APS-C sensor and NFC for quick pairing with smartphones, which can be advantageous for quick social sharing from the street. Performance-wise, the A5000 delivers adequate image quality for casual street work, with steady shot stabilization helping hand-holding in a variety of lighting scenarios. Its autofocus, while competent, is slower and less capable in tracking compared to newer models with hybrid AF systems.
Product number 4. OM System Olympus EM10 Mark IV. The OMD EM10 Mark IV is a compact micro four thirds camera distinguished by in-body 5-axis image stabilization and a flip-down screen optimized for selfies and street storytelling. The 20-megapixel live MOS sensor sits within a highly portable body, and the 14 to 42 millimeter kit lens provides a practical 28 to 84 millimeter equivalent range. The camera emphasizes convenience features like Bluetooth connectivity and a broad range of art filters, making it a strong street option for shooters who value portability and creative control without sacrificing image quality. Performance-wise, the EM10 Mark IV delivers solid image quality with good color and highlight recovery for a micro four thirds sensor. The 5-axis IBIS is a standout feature for handheld street work, enabling slower shutter speeds without heavy gear.
Product number 5. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The EOS R100 is Canon's entry-level RF mirrorless option, pairing a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor with the Digic 8 processor and dual-pixel CMOS AF. The RF SE 18-45mm kit lens provides a versatile 18-45mm focal range, and the camera adds 4K video up to 24 FPS, along with strong autofocus performance across 143 user-selectable points. Its lightweight and accessibility make it attractive for beginners or those transitioning to RF mount systems, while offering modern Canon autofocus capabilities and solid color science. Performance-wise, the R100 delivers smooth color, reliable face/eye detection, and decent autofocus for street photography, with up to 6.5 FPS shooting in one-shot AF. The RF SE lens leverages Canon's IS and optimization within the Digic 8 pipeline for comfortable street shooting in daylight.